We are back with another dashboard. The dashboard you're looking at is completely created by Gemini. All the slicers are fully dynamic. If you click on any slicer, the charts and the KPI cards will change automatically. Need this code? Leave a comment with Gemini and I'll reply with the download instructions. Now, let's see how we can create it. So, after a lot of trial and error, I finally got this working. This is the final code. Just copy and paste the code into a module. To do that, go to the Developer tab, click Visual Basic, then click Insert Module. Now, paste the code here. Close the Visual Basic window. Next, we'll add a button. What do we call it? Yes, the magic button. Finally, assign the macro to the button. Done. Now just click the button and your dashboard is ready. So, you don't need any VBA coding knowledge to build this dashboard. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.